Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The 2025 Dodge Charger has arrived, and it's redefining the modern muscle car scene with unmatched power and aggressive styling. Dodge has taken the essence of American muscle and given it a fresh update, creating a vehicle that's as thrilling to look at as it is to drive. This new Charger captures the spirit of its legendary predecessors while packing in all the modern tech and performance enhancements you'd expect. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Charger doesn't hold back. The wide stance, bold front grille, and signature LED lighting create a commanding presence on the road. Dodge's designers have retained the classic, powerful look but added sharper lines and sleeker contours, giving it a more futuristic edge. It's a car that demands attention, turning heads whether it's parked or tearing up the highway. Inside, Dodge has gone all out on comfort and technology. The cabin is a perfect blend of high-end materials and driver-focused features, with premium leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital dashboard, and a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's equipped with the latest tech, from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to a state-of-the-art sound system, making sure every drive is as immersive as possible. But where the Charger really shines is under the hood. The base model comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, but Dodge's performance-oriented models steal the show. With options like a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 that cranks out over 700 horsepower, the 2025 Charger offers mind-blowing speed and acceleration that puts it in a league of its own. This Charger isn't just built to look powerful, it's built to be powerful. On the road, the 2025 Charger feels agile yet robust. Thanks to Dodge's finely tuned suspension and performance-tuned steering, this car offers a thrilling drive without compromising control. The Charger's driving dynamics have been enhanced to ensure it handles corners with precision and can reach top speeds effortlessly. For muscle car fans, it delivers an experience that's as close to a track car as you can get. Safety features are also a key part of this new model. With advanced driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, the Charger combines power with peace of mind. Dodge has made sure that you're not only getting a fast car, but a safe one, with cutting-edge technology that's ready to assist you every step of the way. All in all, the 2025 Dodge Charger is an impressive evolution of a classic. Dodge has managed to create a car that pays homage to its roots while delivering modern style, tech, and performance that today's drivers crave. For those who love the thrill of the muscle car experience but want modern-day reliability and innovation, this new Charger is the perfect combination. It's a powerful, unapologetic machine that will leave a lasting impression.